Start off by grinding all the dry ingredients using traditional pestle and mortar or your basic grinder. Mix all the dry ingredients together in a bowl: cinnamon, nutmeg and clove. You can use a spoon or your hands to do this. Add some honey and mix it well. You should get a sticky, crumbly mixture. Add water in a very small amount to the mixture until you have reached a dough-like consistency. The dough needs to be well mixed so that it's smooth. Take small pieces of the dough and roll them into small balls. The balls should be flattened and shaped into cones. Leave the incense cones to dry completely for 24 to 48 hours. Using the same dough, you can make agarbattis by placing them on thin wooden sticks. These handmade incense cones are perfect for use during your yoga practices or anytime you're in need of a little relaxation and tranquility. The natural scents of nutmeg, clove, honey and cinnamon will help to soothe and focus your mind, allowing you to embrace your practice and all of its benefits. You can find links to all the products in the video in the description down below. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more.